Hi everyone!
Today, we're going to do a performance about electrostatic effect
using the comb in paper. Is it easier to get electrostatic effects in dry or moist air? Why?
When you rub comb through your hair, the comb becomes electrically charged. In dry air, there isn't much water vapor, so there's nothing interferes with the electric charge. The charge stays stable and strong, allowing the comb to attract tiny pieces of paper easily. But when the air is moist, water molecules act like tiny conductors. They quickly absorb or release electric charge, causing the comb to lose a static charge faster. That's why static electricity is much weaker and harder to observe when the air is moist.
Question number 2. Why is torn paper is more attractive to the comb than the cut paper?
Torn paper is more easily attracted to the charged comb because of how it's shaped and how its fiber behave. When the paper is torn, the edges becomes rough, uneven, and fluffy. Torn fibers are lighter and more exposed, making them easier for the electric charge to pull. They respond immediately to the comb's electric field.
On the other hand, cut paper has smooth and clean edges. The fibers are comfort. The pieces are much heavier, so they require more stronger static charge to lift or move.
That's it. I hope this helped you understand how static electricity works in different conditions.
Thank you for watching!